Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to install 12 by 12 self-stick tiles. Now for this job, you'll need a couple things. For this job, we will be using a pencil, a tape measure. You'll also need something to use as a straight line. I'm going to go ahead and use my level as my straight line. Now if you have a small room like a bathroom, you can go ahead and start laying your tile in the corner. If you have a bigger room, you want to start in the exact middle of the room. So we'll measure from side to side, put a mark, and then measure the other direction. After you get that mark done, go ahead, drop down a little bit, and put another mark. Then take your straight line, put on your two marks, and put a line through there. And right here, where the lines intersect, is where you're going to start laying your tile. Take our tile, peel the backing off, put the corner of it right on that X. Make sure that your lines are running straight here, then firmly press down. Then we'll take our next tile, put it into position by lining up the mark here, and then press it down. You want to make sure that when you're laying these tiles, you get the pattern running just like you want it. Here we have the grout lines running on two sides, so we want to make sure that we butt up one that doesn't have the grout lines running on the side of it. Now we're going to take their next tile, line up our corners, and press it down. Make sure that you're still running on your straight line down through here. Now comes the true test, making sure that you're running completely square. Take your fourth tile, put it right into position, and make sure that it fits without leaving any gaps. After that, go ahead and firmly press it down. And then you want to go ahead and continue to do this across your entire floor. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors. Thank you all for watching. Good luck with this project.